Hi, hello, good evening. This is Nagarajan from Market Decoder channel, and this video is going to be for a pure investment strategy. And here we are going to see four different stocks from four different sectors. And I believe people would have watched the previous videos on investment for in the metal sector, that would be auto sector, and the last one which was for SIP. I put a video on the same for next 10 years, and this is going to be like just invest and forget stocks, and I'll tell you that technically where the stocks are going to head towards in next 10 years, and what are going to be the driving factor behind these companies, and why I'm suggesting this company. I'll be explaining it. Please watch the video till the end, and if you have not subscribed so far, please do subscribe and support. Let's get into the video. Our first company, let us first get into our technical part. That is my favorite area. So then we'll get into the fundamental and functional areas where the company will head into and what are the business it is right now. So first company, it is going to be Titan. I believe everybody would have known about Titan, and looking at the price action and the price structure of Titan, if you look at the last 10 years, in 2010 the price of Titan was around, this was the price, you can see it here. If you look at the price at 2010, the level was around 117, and in 2020, last year, the price, let's just take December's data, so the price is around 1571 was high from 117. So from 117 the price has increased more than 10x, and the same will happen in the next 10 years. So the stock may get split, and again it will get a mammoth growth. I'll tell you why and how the stock will double up, or why I'm telling it like it will grow 10x in next 10 years. So let us get into the price action levels and price action structure. So this is going to be a long ascending channel. The ascending channel was around there in Titan for starting from 2011 to 2017. That was a long uptrend, but still it was in a channel. It was making a high and again a low, again a high, again a low. It was like low, high, higher, low, higher, high, again a higher low and a higher high. Once this long uptrend, that is ascending channel, is getting broken, obviously the movement will be like it will double up. So that is what has been seen here. Once the breakout at 692 was given in 2017, that the movement was rapid in next 2 years, from 690 to 1300 levels in just 1.5 years, more than double in 1.5 years. And again there was a drop, and again what has happened, it has cleared the previous all-time high, and it has given a clear breakout in monthly, and again it is trying to retest. What will happen is again it will take a support here, and again it will grow just like anything. Once this kind of ascending channel is broken in the long-term consolidation, definitely there will be a huge growth will be there. So the next levels, it can be trading around 3,500 or 4,000, even beyond that as well. Also it can grow. So let us look at what are the business they are into and how this kind of growth can come into picture in Titan in next 10 years. You can just go to Google and type the Titan products, and you'll be able to see what are the industries they are into and what are the products available in Titan. So first of all, they are into the time product. So everybody knows Fast Track, Sonata, or Raga, Zoom, Bandhan, Bubble, everything. You should be knowing it. And eyewear, they are into the frames, lenses, and contact lenses, sunglasses, coolers in this business. And the third is going to be jewelry, and they are coming in the, and fourth one is the perfume sector. And all these time product, eyewear, jewelry, and skin perfumes are coming into luxury goods manufacturing. So in this sector can take a great mammoth growth in next 10 years. is because our Indian economy is growing in such a rapid way, like the consumption level has obviously increased in last 10 years. That is why these kind of companies have ran in such a double up or triple up or 10x, we can say, from 170 to 1500 level in 10 years. In next 10 years, the consumption of India would be more than $3 trillion, and obviously we will be definitely fond of these kind of stuffs, and definitely Titan is going to be one market leader, and it is a company of Tata Group, and there is no branding or advertisement required for this company. It is a mammoth, huge and fantastic company, and all their products are absolutely fantastic. So I don't have any doubt about this company's growth in next 10 years. If you want to take this company for next 10 years, definitely it would be a wealth creator, and the technicals are obviously telling the same. I strongly suggest this company can be taken for your investment purpose, and you please do your own studies. It is my view of my with my own little knowledge, and you can obviously take your own time in analyzing the technicals and the fundamentals, and you can please go ahead with your investment. So our next company is going to be Pidilite. So let us look at the Pidilite chart. So Pidilite is in ascending channel for almost 7 to 8 years. So we can say 7 years, from 2014 to 2021. So it is in the verge of getting a breakout here. If it is getting a breakout, this kind of again a long uptrend channel would be seen beyond this 4000 levels in next 10 years. And looking at their business, so just now I showed the same consolidation in Titan, which there was this long consolidation. After that we saw a good breakout, and we saw the movement was from top 600 levels to 1300 levels in just 1.5 years. Same way, if this breakout is seen in Pidilite, definitely our Pidilite stock will hit more than 10x in next 10 years. There can be a stock split, or there can be bonus, anything can happen, and the stock price will be revised, and again we will see the stock definitely beyond 3000 to 4000 levels in next 10 years. So looking at their business, what are their business? They are into the adhesive products, and Pidilite is going to be one of the famous and number one in the market. So Pidilite is almost in the industry from 1959, so they are in the market leader. They are one of the market leader in adhesive products, and we can say like in the infrastructure sector is being in a good boom. In next few years, definitely lot of villages would be in the process of urbanization. The villages will be made as a city, and obviously when the infrastructure sector is booming, obviously these kind of adhesive products will be in huge demand, and obviously Pidilite is the company which will be in a great demand, as their products are number one in the market for waterproofing, let it be furnitures or ceilings, whatever it may be. All the products are fantastic, and definitely this company will be grown in 10x in next 10 years. So let us get into our third company, which is going to be Hindustan Unilever. So this is going to be the technical chart. So let us first see what was the price in 2010. The 2010 price was around 218 in just 10 years. From 218 to 2614 in the last year was the high, and right now it is trading at 2241. So what will be the levels in next 10 years? So as I showed, the same pattern is followed in this stock as well. Once the ascending trend line or ascending channel, we could say, once it is getting broken, it will form another trend line or another upper channel, and it will lead to a huge upside targets, and that would be around more than 4000 for sure. And in next 10 years, the products definitely will be in demand. Already the Hindustan Unilever products are have hit the market, and every single person would be using their product. At least one of their products will be used by every single household in India. So let us look at their product, the products they are manufacturing. So if you look at these products, all these are going to be the HUL products. Let it be a paste or surf excel or soaps, shampoos or teas, these baby products, everything, every single stuff. At least not everything can be bought by a single person, but at least one product would definitely in your home for sure. So our Indian population is around 135 crores, and obviously in next 10 years it would be grown up by next 30 crores at least. And obviously in this company would be hitting every home with their products, and definitely the price of the stock will be 10x from this place. It can be, if there can be a stock split or there can be bonus shares. And again, if it is getting dropped to less than 500 by after a stock split or a bonus, definitely what will happen is definitely it will get a boom to more than 10x in next 10 years. You can sit back and relax. You can sit and back and relax because their market capital is more than 5 lakh crores. None of the Indian companies in this FMCG sector is having such a huge market capital, and definitely this is one of the good company with such a huge number of products in all sectors, all brands. Sorry, all we can say all. When you look at the products, you will be able to see like every single stuff, starting from since you start the day with tea, end the day with a shampoo or a warm bath, you would be using these products. So definitely they will be in huge demand, and the price would be like 10x from now. So that is all for Hindustan Unilever. And the last company, that is our fourth company, is going to be my area of as I'm into the same field IT for last 12 years, and obviously TCS is going to be one of the company. It is right now TCS is the largest company in the world. It just beat Accenture in the market capital and the strength, obviously, which is having more than 6 lakh employees in TCS. And obviously it can do wonders in next 10 years, because if you look at the price in the last, if you see the price at 2009, the price was around 100, low price was 109, and if you look at the price right now, it is going to be 3000. The high price was 3339. You can see it here. This was a high made 3339 was the high price. So obviously what will happen is definitely the same channel, whatever I have stocks I have chosen, all four stocks are in the same pattern. The ascending channel is broken. Here also you can see a clear breakout in the upper channel. What will happen is you can expect the same amount of growth in TCS in next few years. So if you go to daily, you can see a stock split which was happened in 2018. You can see this. The stock was trading at around 3,500, and the stock was split into 2,750. Just the stock was cut into two, from 3,500 to 1,750 in the next 2 years. From 1,750 it has hit 3,339 in just 2 years. I'm saying just 2 years it has hit 2x. Again there can be some boom has can come, and again what can happen is this stock can definitely go beyond even 5 digits. It can do in the next few years. And the business model which they are into, like modernization of digital modernization, we can say, and which is going to be the future of IT. And TCS is one of the best company, and they have all good things and all enough capable, whatever we can say, like good management, good technical skills, and they are number one in the business, we know that. And they are the number one company in the world by the market capital or the number of employees, everything. They have all infrastructure, they have all technologies they have, every single stuff they have. They have all the requirements to grow like anything in next 10 years. And obviously this can be in your portfolio for a huge wealth creation. And I believe this video would have been a eye-opening with the fundamental facts and the technical setups for your investment. Please do your own studies and please do subscribe to our channel. In the upcoming videos I'll be putting a lot of stocks with interesting facts and technical setups for wealth creations. Please do subscribe and support. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.